Hello and welcome to your website template. I'm Cass. I'm the founder of the Dharma Collective, and I am so grateful that you purchased this website template. And I cannot wait to see how you customize it and make it your own. The page that you're viewing right now is the video training library. So this page is going to walk you through step by step how to customize your website template and make it your own, adding your fonts, your colors, your text, images, all of the things. So the template that you see right now is your website template, but all of the videos on this page might not visually look like your template. It might be another one, but all of the walkthrough how-to videos and all of the guidelines within them still apply to your template too. So don't be alarmed if you see another template as you're going through this video. Just learn from the video and then apply it to your own website. Before we dive in, I want to give you a rundown of some of the components that you're going to want to look at when you want to update the design of your website, which you'll get to in the next section of the video training library. There's lots of different blocks and things that you can add to your Squarespace website. So this walkthrough is just going to be a general guide of the different components within some of the pages on your website and what to look for when you want to customize some of these things. So on the homepage here, this is a section background where I added a video. So you can add your own video or an image. Scrolling down, there's a section background here. This has a special design element that I curated for this template, and you'll see that there is a page on the training, kind of in the resources space of this template, where you'll be able to access this background, change the color, and then re-upload it if you want to use it. From here, these are image blocks. The inhale and the exhale is a text box with expanded text. So if you want to learn how to update that, you'll just go over to the text box video training, and then that will help you there. Yoga for everybody and the content within, that's also a text box. View our schedule is a button block. Over to the left-hand side, this is a series of images, and then behind it is a shape block. And so within the collage video training, you'll see how to work with collages just like this one, where there's a combination of images and or a shape block. Over to the right, you've got a text box and a button. Below that, these are images, text boxes, and buttons, just designed a certain way. This down here is a workshop summary block. So you'll just kind of work with the how to update the workshops, and then a button here. This down here is a testimonial slider, and so you'll want to reference that video. Stay in the flow as well as stay connected at the bottom of these pages. That's a newsletter block. So go ahead and look for the newsletter when you're looking for how to update that. For the class schedule page, you'll want to reference how to add your schedule to your website. I am going to walk through in that video how to add an embed code from perhaps Mindbody or a different scheduling tool that you're using. Or below, you can fill it out. This is an accordion block. An accordion block is also applicable for the frequently asked questions or anything that does this kind of drop down or collapse feature. That's applicable as well on the types of classes page with the accordion block, as well as the collage over on the right-hand side. With the pricing page, this is where you're going to see like layers of a box, a shape with text in it, and then a button block. And then some of these are also just text boxes with a background color. So look at the text box video training, as well as kind of that collage one for anything that has this layered feature. From here, I think a lot of the elements within each of these pages I've already gone over. You'll see there's a collage again, a mixture of images and layered images. And then this down here, the values we hold true, that one's going to be a text box with a colored background. And so everything else should be pretty self-explanatory in terms of the boxes that you're looking for. But if you ever get lost and you're unsure about what kind of box you're looking at and how to edit it, you can hit edit on the page you're working on, scroll over the box itself, and you can see in the top left corner it says text. Same here, it says text. Or if I hover over an image, it'll say image. With a button, it says button. So it kind of tells you what it is. And then based on that information, you can look into the video training library and just look for the video that talks about that specific block and how to edit it. All right, that's just a little rundown of what is on your website and then how to navigate this video training library so you can get right to what you want to update and edit. Have fun and happy designing. Let's dive in.